Struggling with thinning hair and breakage? What if you could refresh your scalp, strengthen each strand, and see noticeable thickening, all with a simple 3-step system? The Nioxin System 1 Hair Care Kit promises exactly that. Amplified hair texture and protection against breakage, helping you regain confidence in your hair's fullness and shine. I started using the Nioxin System 1 kit about a month ago, and the results surprised me. The thin spot on my crown started filling in, and new growth appeared across my scalp. It's not just me. 85% of users report a visible thickening effect after trying this kit. The secret lies in its carefully designed 3-step process. The Scalp Shampoo clears away dirt and sebum, preparing your scalp for healthier growth. The Scalp Conditioner strengthens your hair from root to tip. And the Scalp Hair Treatment boosts volume by thickening each strand without weighing it down. Plus, it's dermatologically tested, so it's gentle enough for daily use. What really stands out is the clinical proof behind Nioxin System 1. Studies show it can reduce hair fall due to breakage by up to 91%. For anyone concerned about thinning hair, that's a game changer. The system doesn't just cover up the problem, it addresses the scalp environment to promote healthier hair growth. If you're ready to see real change, this kit is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to strengthen your hair and refresh your scalp with a trusted, award-winning solution.